center, side. Add the arm, side, center, a little flavor if you'd like, sauce, and sauce. Going back, break back, break back, break back. Both feet are going back and center. Back, center, back, center. Lead foot. Good. Now we're going to open it up a little bit to a swing step. Open up and swing. Center, swing. Swing, center, swing. Swing, center, swing. Give us one more. Swing, center, swing. And take it back, dancing underneath yourself. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Going back 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Going back 2, 3. Travel step forward and forward 2, 3. Forward 6, 7. Forward 2, 3. Good. All right. Next move is turning in a circle. We want to keep the feet moving. Turn yourself around. Turn yourself around. Turn yourself around. Basic traveling circle. One more time. Turn yourself around. Turn yourself around. Turn yourself around. Very good. Next move we're going to work on is a cross. Crossing that foot. Cross the body. Cross the body. Cross the body. Cross the body. And our friend Johnny here is going to do a little hat. Hat and hat. Very nice. I'm going to add my hips. Very good. Let's turn that into a heel. And heel. And heel. And heel. We're going to take it to the toe behind you. Toe behind. Toe behind. Toe behind. Very good. Toe behind. One more. Toe and toe. Beautiful. Let's try it with some music. Johnny, are you ready?
Ready.
Socially distant. Very good.
Que viva la noche buena y el año traiga felicidad.
Basic. Going back and forward. Going back and forward. Going back. That's a better clap. Here we go. Cross.